I made these Starships from SpaceX models. They were originally from a 3D print which looked something like that a friend done for me, done a few of them. So he said, see what you can do with them. So I made a Starhopper. This was the first Starship to land, SN8, and then this is going to be the first one to take off with its booster. This is Ship 24 and Booster 7. I've scratch-built Booster 7 because there wasn't one available at the time, and then another friend printed out some grid fins for it. But yes, I'm very pleased with how my Starships come out. They're done in sort of using the plumber's silver aluminium tape and some bits of wire, just to try and get them looking as much like the actual things as possible. I do love all the Starship stuff. Not so sure about Elon Musk though. So